So, martviva.com is basically an online store offering fashion and lifestyle products at prices that can look pretty tempting. But before you place an order, there are a few things I'd be careful about. The biggest question is whether the products actually match the photos and descriptions. With lesser-known online stores, quality, sizing, shipping times, and customer service can sometimes be very different from what the website suggests. I'd also look closely at the return and refund policy. If you're ordering internationally, returning something can be more complicated or expensive than you might expect. So, is martviva.com a scam? I wouldn't automatically say that without stronger evidence. But I also wouldn't buy just because you're seeing big discounts or limited time offers. Overall, check independent reviews, payment protection, shipping details, and contact information before ordering. If you're not comfortable with the risk, an established retailer may be the safer choice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.